Hello guys, my name is Justin. I'm with Advanced CDL Driving Academy. Today we're going to be working on docking a semi-truck, a Class A vehicle. The first thing you want to do, get in your vehicle, put on your safety belt. Safety, safety, safety is always number one. And once you get lined up with the dock on your left-hand side, the driver's side, we're going to make our way and get our rear driver's side trailer tire 6 feet past the second cone. So I'm accelerating forward. I'm watching in my mirrors, making sure I keep my truck and my trailer nice and straight. Once I get my truck in a position, I'm going to come to a stop. So now that my rear trailer tire on my driver's side is 6 feet past the cone, I'm going to put the truck into reverse. And since I want the trailer to go to my left, I'm going to turn all the way to my right. If you want to go left, turn right. If you want to go right, turn left. I'm going to continuously back up, watching my trailer tire, and it should get nice and close to the cone. Once I lose sight of it inside of my mirror, I look out my window on the driver's side. You want to get to the truck where it's almost at a 90-degree angle, and it's almost jackknifing the truck. Once you get to the correct position, I want you to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, because now we have to turn left to straighten out the tractor and the trailer. As this straightens out, the trailer should slowly work itself inside the dock. Sometimes you might have to go back and forth, left and right a little bit, and that's okay. The goal is to be safe. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to keep my trailer on my left side, my driver's side, because I can see everything on that side. On my passenger side, it's my blind spot. I cannot see. So I want to try to keep a nice close distance to all the cones on my left driver's side. But right now I'm a little catty cornered. So all I'm going to do is turn the steering wheel to the right, take the trailer a little bit forward, or travel forward about 10 feet just to straighten out. And that is it. Once you get nice and straight, you can see both of the trailer tires in every mirror. That's how you know your tractor and your trailer are straight with one another. I'm going to continue to back the truck up nice and slowly to the dock. I can see both cones and both mirrors. Going to slowly back it up, get nice and close to the curb, and before I hit the curb, I'm going to come to a stop. Right about there. Nice and slow and easy. That's how you dock a truck at Advanced CDL Driving Academy, located in Baltimore, Maryland.